Okay, welcome back to how to increase your conversions in your marketing. Now, we've said that we are going to be talking about some of the marketers who have highly converting products and some of the top producers in the industry. So we're going to be looking at Evan Pagan throughout our course. We're going to be looking at Mark Thompson's Webinar Express. Now, it's my understanding that it's no longer for sale, but we can still learn something from their conversion and sales process. We'll be looking at Robert Plank, who has a product called Webinar Crusher. We'll be looking at Ewan Chia, who has a product that has been selling for a long time to newbie marketers, and it's called Autopilot Profits, and we'll be able to glean a lot of details from the way that Ewan Chia does things. We'll be looking at a suite of products from Mark Ling, Affiliorama, and he will be doing things a little differently from just about everyone, and a lot of the rules that you'll see that we'll be talking about he is actually broken, but you'll get a chance to see a good example of some highly converting products that Mark Ling has built as a result of the relationships that he's built with his affiliates as well as his customers. And then we'll be looking at Jason Flatley and Ed Dale, who has a current launch that you may want to take a look at, and some others. We'll be looking at Video Genesis and some other things like that. So as we go throughout the course, you may want to take a peek at some of those other marketers and then take a look at their sales page and see what it is that you want to adopt to your own sales process. When you do that, do it with your eyes wide open. Do it because of a principle that you're learning in this course, and apply it based on the fact that some of these principles are time tested and they work if you apply them consistently. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.